Hi guys, Darko here. I want to spend this video and talk about losing weeks or losing month or when you are in a losing streak, because that will happen regardless of how good your trading is or how good you are and identifying those levels and everything. The thing is that something that most traders don't think of is that if you don't have a proper trade and risk management, when you have those losing streaks, it could be, week or month or whatever that might be, it's a very high probability that you will more or less wipe your account, or at least lose the vast majority or percentage of your account if you don't know how to trade manage and risk manage your trades. So now it's month of August, so and we are right now down for the month, and obviously it's 2 weeks left, so I'm not worried. But we also had a great trade yesterday on pound yen when we made up for some losing trades. So what I'm trying to say is that the thing is that when you had a losing streak and then you have a winning trade like we had yesterday, and we are still in that trade, by the way, is that there's a chance as a struggling trader that as soon as you see 20 pips or 25 pips, you start taking profit or maybe exit pretty early, because you look back and think that, hey, I had a horrible week, or I was down for the week or a month so far, and hey, this trade is working out, let's just take some profit, because I read in some books you never get broke taking profit. And that's exactly the opposite. You will get broke taking profit if you don't know how to do it properly. So the thing is that you need to have a proper trade, a game plan for how to do things. Because if you get out of balance every time you have a losing streak, you start getting nervous about your trades. And when the trades are working in your direction, you start scaling, too much. And when you take a loss, you almost always take full losses. And then when you win, your winning trades are scaled. You scale 5 pips, maybe 10 pips or 20 or whatever that might be. And it's actually the opposite. So we have rules when to mitigate risk, when we risk reduce, and we also how we risk exposure. Those things, if you don't master it, and you are just joining us and you just take those trades, maybe you're risking 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 10%, you're definitely gone by now, because you're basically wiped your account. So it's super important to have. Many people ask me hey, Darko, what's the holy grail of trading? Well, it's trade management and risk management. Okay, so when the things are going against you, you need to know how to stop the bleeding. Okay, and when things are going in your way, leave it alone without getting too greedy, because if you are scaling, at least scale where you're supposed to, because then it's within your game plan. Because otherwise you just have micro wins and big losses, and that is devastating for your live account. So hopefully this micro video will help you to rethink. Because I'm sure that you recognize yourself when you had a losing streak, that you are taking profit too soon because you had a bad weekend, month, whatever that might be. So I just want you to rethink and be aware of this issue, and obviously do something about it, because otherwise you will eventually just wipe your account and get margin calls. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for listening, and I wish you a fantastic trading week. Cheers.